Want to smooth skin in Photoshop without making it look fake? Here's a quick trick. We'll use smart objects, blending modes, and the mixer brush for flawless results. Let's go. Open your image in Photoshop and start by duplicating the image twice using Ctrl-J. This creates 2 extra layers for non-destructive editing. Hide the first duplicated layer for now, and select the second layer. This is where we'll apply the main retouching effects. Go to Filter, Noise, Median, and apply the effect. Convert this layer into a smart object to ensure we can tweak the adjustments later if needed. This helps smooth out small imperfections without completely removing skin texture. Next, add a solid color fill by going to the color picker and selecting HSB mode. Set the brightness value to 50 to create a neutral overlay. Convert this solid color layer into a smart object to keep things editable. Change the blending mode of the smart object to overlay. This helps blend the color with the underlying skin tones naturally. Now bring back some realistic texture by going to Filter, Noise, Add Noise. Adjust the noise level to a subtle amount so it doesn't overpower the skin. To further refine the look, go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and apply a soft blur. This helps merge the adjustments smoothly. Moving on to the top layer, make it visible again and change its blending mode to Vivid Light. This step enhances the details in a controlled way. Next, go to Filter, Other, High Pass. Adjust the radius until you see skin details without too much harshness. This step sharpens textures while avoiding an unnatural look. Now grab the Mixer Brush tool B and tweak its settings for smooth yet natural skin blending. Wet, 10 to 20%, controls how much paint mixes with the existing pixels. Load, 100%, ensures full application of the smoothing effect. Mix, 90%, keeps colors from blending too aggressively. Flow, 20%, maintains control over the strength of the strokes. Carefully paint over the skin, working in small circular motions. Focus on blending tones rather than erasing details. This helps keep the skin looking soft but realistic. Now, group the retouch layers for better organization. Hold Shift, select the second last layer, then press Ctrl-G to place them in a group. Open blending options and adjust the underlying layer slider to allow some natural skin texture to peek through. Hold Alt while dragging the slider for finer control. To refine the effect, hold Alt and click on Add Layer Mask. This lets you control exactly where the smoothing applies. Now grab the Brush tool B, set the foreground color to white, and adjust the brush settings. Size, 111 pixels, large enough for smooth coverage. Flow, 21%, prevents overdoing the effect in one stroke. Gently paint over areas that need retouching while avoiding details like eyes, lips, and hair to keep them sharp. Take your time to ensure a balanced, natural look. Once satisfied, zoom out and review the entire image. If needed, lower the group's opacity slightly for a subtle finish. And that's it! You've successfully smoothed skin while maintaining natural texture using non-destructive Photoshop techniques. Thanks for joining me in this Photoshop journey. Remember, your creativity is the only limit. Explore, experiment, and make magic with these tools. Don't forget to subscribe.